Good morning. My name is Sudip Tabag, and I'll be presenting our Databricks hackathon solution on behalf of Team Incognito. By 2030, most of the healthcare sector will face problems of worker management or data management, not because of the lack of workers, but because the humanitarian or health sector data is quite unstructured and they are stored in a very unstructured way. So, what we have come up with a data intelligence layer, that is a native layer. Okay, so I'll be going through a solution. Firstly, what we have introduced here is we have used the Medallion architecture. It has the bronze, silver, and the gold layer, starting from ingestion to all the way to agent. So here I have used PySpark UDF to call the here, as you can see, Databricks Llama 4 Maverick for every row in the table. So here what we are doing, we are not cancelling out the null values, but here we are getting each and every important points like collaborations or the capabilities or like what all the necessary details are there in each row. Okay. Secondly, after getting the extracted points, that is not enough. So what we have done is we have created a deterministic risk scoring engine. Using that, we calculate the desert scores. Okay, when after the desert scores are created, we uh, store them. So basically, like if a tier 3 facility claims to be a hospital, our agent will go through the table and search for the things and give us like, is it really a hospital? Like if it doesn't have a emergency system, so it will be a health hazard and it's an anomaly. So our scoring engine works on that. Okay, so here as you can see, we have three scoring criteria: critical, high, and medium. Okay, after we get the scores, what we do, we store it in a serverless vector index search, uh, and then we use our agent to uh, go through the data. Like if we ask our agent some question, okay, here as you can see, okay, I have started the agent and we have specified the some rules like identify specific infrastructure gaps, site facilities exactly as provided. So what our agent does is it works on the rag feature, yes, and we have given here constants so it does not go out of the delta table. Our agent will rigorously only search through the delta table. What it does is it reduces the hallucinations and it gives the proper data what we have asked. Suppose as you can see what we have asked here, where are the biggest medical deserts for maternity care? Okay, so our agent has given this solution. The facilities with the most critical gaps in maternity care are these four, and these other facilities with high urgency and gaps. And also our agents will also give recommendations for the NGO how they can help, like conduct an immediate assessment of the facilities marked with this symbol high urgency. So our solution is not just a prototype, it's in the enterprise level because the data should be auditable. As it's an AI agent data, it should be auditable and it should be tracked. So we have implemented this ML flow here. As you can see, this is the our latest one. If we click on it, here you can see we will get the complete report in a text. We also have introduced a high urgency ratio to rank our answer, like on what basis that our agent is giving these values, giving these answers. Okay, and yeah, and as you know, we have hosted our vector index also. It's also working properly. That's all.